Hi everyone, my name is KAWALYA Robert, student of business computing. Today I'm going to share with you how to construct a use case diagram using Microsoft Visio. You come here on the icon of Microsoft Office Visio 2007, you open it. Let's wait. Then you come here on software and database. Let me remove this. Then you press no, software and database. You select UML diagram, UML model diagram. You click on it, and then here on the measurements, you select the default measurement, which is US units, and then you create. Then after, you'll be provided with the what? With the different diagrams. Here there is activity, collaboration, component, deployment, sequence, state chart, UML static structure, use case. Now we are interested in what? In use case diagram. You click on it. Here you'll be provided with different notations used in what? Use case diagram. A stick man, as we know, it implies an actor. Extend relationship, association. This one can imply generalization and include. This is a system boundary. Many others. Then let me zoom my screen, and I put it to 100. Characteristics of a system must have a boundary. Just you drag it. Let me try to minimize it. I'm just minimizing it. Let me assuming we are just going to construct a simple diagram. Yeah. I'm just going to drop here an actor plus use cases. Use cases we know, just an oval shape. Then we drag it here. You can copy and paste to save time. Paste. Then here we bring an association. That's how we connect things. Thanks for watching.